Just as John is going to play the cello, James decides to recite a poem. Amber and Hallet will do a dance. Wait, Maria. Cleo will bake her famous cupcake. Okay, play number 2. But what will I do? I don't have a special talent. Mom, Mom tells me to do what I love. Vamos começar esse de novo. Mom tells me to do what I love. I think about it a while. I do love animals and they love me. Maybe that's my talent. That's number 3. I want to teach Pearls to dance, but it's not as easy as I thought. Pearls just wants to play. When I try to teach her a dance step, she climbs on the top of the piano. Okay, number 4. Then I remember my magic amulet. It helps me take the animals. Come on, coisinha. E agora que parou, vamos tentar de novo. I tell Pearls about the talent show. Will you help me? I ask her. Of course I will, she says. Pearls and I work together all day. And soon I know that we're ready. Come on, baby girl.
Okay.
On the day of the talent show, Pearl and I go... Oops.